and one in.
For me, it's a hamburger.
Be people me.
You get fuck.
You get what, 3?
Ike, yeah, one day I saw too.
One half.
Ike them man.
Girl, I give me pussy and I nothing new to me. She ask, so me do what me say, bitch, Google me. Girl can't time me, she can't voodoo me. She ask, so me do what me say, bitch, Google me. Diamond in my chain and I nothing new to me. Them ask, so me do what me say, bitch, Google me.
Alright, so good morning vlog world. Today we are go fire some paintball. Me, my brother, Neymar, and some other people. Today vlog I go fire some paintball, so I go journey with me for all day. Neymar fire, so is it?
Girl, what's good?
They need 2 times. For me, I could go subscribe to him channel.
I'm about to vlog too, y'all.
Yeah, he gonna vlog it. He gonna vlog it. So when I go journey with me. Missing on him way over here right now, and me I go fry some egg. I don't think you can see me right now, but me go fry 2 egg, make 2 breakfast and thing. So come I can't do nothing from last night, so you know that's sitting there go. So I go shift up to scramble egg and thing. So catching up back when I'm done. Nail it. Alright, so it upstairs. So we're waiting for Mason, you know, everybody ready. Buds I go forward. Then my there's a full in belly. And I focus. But yeah. And make some scrambled egg and thing. I mean Friday. Yeah, man. I mean Friday the wickedest egg boy, yeah, dog. See, come love my belly. So you know it, bro. But when buds,
let me do a taste test. Where's the spark?
You like this?
Why for that I know you want a fresh one in the oil, you know.
Get them one. Dog.
Right now.
Yeah, man. But on the journey today, when buds forward, I start back in vlog. So
What do you out for?
we're away from buds, fully gear up one thing. We're away from buds. Neymar still upstairs. So only now see me again till buds forward and we'll leave out. And then we'll see you again when we get there. So I don't know if I'm militant in the street. So look more, see you in a few. We're leaving. So I don't know. Yeah. Neymar there.
I'm sure if you lay this out.
Yeah, man. Marsha, his sister. So
Yeah.
you first me a shot still, you know.
Yeah, man.
Ready when you're ready?
Yeah.
Yeah,
The dog
ready.
Uber come now, so. I know I came then place or not. No one
Oh, so my Uber come over.
Yeah, because of
So like if we go there, it's a whole hour drive back.
Alright, so we're here. You Robin. Big Robin. So on our journey we're doing. But there's a film. Well I know him, I know the birthday boy. Cause mine gone. But I celebrate for you 1 month. So I see a month. So we are celebrating for you see a month. So yeah. About 6. Yeah, so we're there in the woods, bro. I tell you, we're there in the woods.
No, no, for tough it out.
Ada berapa you know? Tough it out, right?
Yo, they say been too hot, Mickey. Been too hot, Mickey.
But you can't wear it first. If it's too hot, I
Yeah,
give you.
true. Alright, yeah,
That's
makes sense. Because if it's too hot,
yeah. Makes sense.
me make sure it's hot.
I mean, you should not check. Yeah.
Me make sure it's hot. So,
Come here, say you come already. So.
Una what's the face? See, man, want like a pussy on that side. Says he not afraid to get shot. I say if it's hot, I put on his vest. Me play it already, so that's why me can't mind. You see?
No,
So,
I don't get shot. Eh? No, them big girls
What?
best.
yeah, them give girls vest, yes, sir.
Eh? No, man.
Oh, yeah,
Them can't pick up it already.
Let me get ready one thing.
Let's see them pick you up.
I say, get ready. Pass the pussy.
Time to.
Eh?
Afraid to put on free to take 2 shots.
So me I say Neymar is forward there already.
You know,
No, me gonna replay it. When me edit it, I gonna replay it. So,
Come here, say you come already. So.
Oh no, no. So, you, oh?
You know who's my father?
Oh, your father.
Dead shot.
Yeah, the man. But I'm tell the man to music up on music. Be up on Jamaica Army Special Force team, brother. The man not believe me, dog.
Yeah?
But I was
But I'm Mr.
CIA
Fire
for
shot for
Ghana.
Jamaica youth.
I was CIA for Ghana.
Yeah, the man.
You know something when I CIA, so you know talk to them as CIA.
Exactly.
No, because I'm firing
But I think, brother, you see when them they come for dead us youth, you can look at that shot in fire. Ah, dude.
No, tell me like
Oh, go on.
them stone that look tough for road pants. You know?
It's a skid bruise up.
Oh, the water?
But I know. The fire shot in the water, man. But now you're talking down there, so I'm not thinking of water.
You know, the thing there.
What?
Fast as fuck.
Can't get look at two up though.
Yeah.
So dog.
But any boy this.
Dog will strap up. Yeah, Z.
I see them dead.
Black girl. If anyone wanna feel like so no can fire shot better than we,
Just come.
just pull up and make we know the time on the
$200
day.
match.
No, that's time I say, yo.
Yes, sir, the new hobby this bad.
Man.
The new hobby?
Eh?
New hobby?
Every week. Just give him them.
Where all your masks at? You ain't need mask, Aaron. There's one person need to go.
Oh, are you got
already
you
know
got
it.
one? Yeah, can I hold that?
I need
Oh, I have my mask in my book bag.
Nah, we all
Oh, to
don't
talk to the. You
Wait, but if you don't have it, you can't get in, right?
No, we all don't need masks. It's just one person need to go up
to talk to them.
and talk and that's it.
So y'all ain't gonna say nothing for the vlog? Y'all ain't gonna say nothing for the vlog?
Oh yeah, I need to put something on that.
Alright, so we are here, bro. We are here. We are here.
No, yeah, I'm gonna go second first. Yeah.
Yeah. What over this one? Bro, yo, I'm gonna go for American Ninja Warrior, you know that?
Me too, bro.
That shit looks sick. Yo, watch it.
I want to know how
Kill
to
him,
do
that's
it.
skate on this.
Brother, that shit looks sick as fuck.
Bro, if I go, I will win.
Brother, me never see a Caribbean man pan
man
here.
go pan here
No,
and
me never see a Caribbean man different than you.
Me, I tell you, I will
Think a little bit of dumpling and banana.
I feel like some African.
win.
Me never see that. Watch it.
Yeah.
Boom, oh,
I tell you.
Yeah, man, I eat no buds. I eat. Oh, that's not a Ninja Warrior or something. That's the indoor one, I guess. No, and I would. A different thing there. So a lot of people till I say money say it's full. So we got a lot of people here, bro. A lot.
Right, might just do this now.
A lot of people here. Not the next piece in the book bag. Some people are move like a little pussy.
Me only man now van face, you know. Yo,
Some people are
yo,
like a little
me only man now van face. Watch it. Only man now van face. What am brother have van face? Yeah, me a pussy.
Listen, me not jumping over this shit. This, look how this high. Like, look on the bar. And the man want me jump over that with no hand. You're mad to work side. I am not.
Remember I think we jump over me, you and Slippy that come from Berkeley. About so the thing that to me, you know?
I am not jumping over that.
Stand up and jump it, you know?
I am not.
Eh? Like a nothing.
I am not jumping over that.
Eh?
Go on, man. Yo, watch out.
You come and cook, you know?
The woman pick up the igloo and him run her down.
Oh. You know, I always have to walk sideways. It's so easy.
I am not doing that. Listen, vlog girl. I am not jumping over that. Okay? I will climb the fence. Climb the fence? I am not jumping over that shit. Cause if me jump, I know me I go laugh. And them I go laugh off of me. Can't take that right now. Great. Vlog girl. Come here. Why is he running? Yo, y'all need to see this. My boy getting there. He getting there. Show them.
Yo.
Show them the waves.
You want wave check?
Wave check.
Damn.
What up? Show them the top. Show them the top. Like, what is that, bro?
Y'all see shit?
What shake? What shit, dog? If you not shaking like this, you ain't shaking.
Look at my hang time.
If you not shaking like this, you're not shaking, bro. You never reach your level yet, bro. You never reach your level yet, dog. Like, them one, you never reach your level yet,
Y'all
bro.
bitches don't got nothing on me. Look.
They say that shit. Alright, so you know, ready, you know? You're outside. You're dead. East side, Neymar. East side. Come on, you're out here, man, like all the time. So you know what trouble. Everybody's here, bro.
Nah, me good.
Trouble.
Alright, can everyone... Dave, can you guys let me know like the last couple players are... Remember, ladies and gentlemen, this is a respawn. Capture the flag. Come on, far side, you better push up. You better push up. Go ahead. Go ahead. Seconds on the flag. 30 seconds left. Flag is live! I repeat, the flag is live!
Spanish?
Two houses are here.
Alright. So. We there. So they have must some food. Just reach back and thing and thing. So. Oh, you don't must have food there? We circle back.
Oh shit, you got beaten.
Man, them shut up and eat things. Bruise up.
Yeah, shot, but we're not at the fuck shot. Keep it.
You want it?
Dog.
Exactly what I was doing.
Come here, be a people.
One in.
For me, it's a hamburger.
Be a people, me do.
Get fuck.
Get what, three?
Ike, yeah, one day I saw too.
One half.
Ike them man.
Neymar two black for sure. But yeah, that is it for this vlog. It was a good game. Next week Sunday again. That's it. I knew Abby, man. So I'm gonna say it. Other than football, game, but I don't shut up for fire, bro. So, but even know, bro. They don't talk about me.
Orange Park up here.
But man, the Orange Park too wild, yeah, man. I'm too wild, bro. Oh shit. I'm sure now. I'm not paint up much. I'm not paint up much, but yeah.
I'm gonna pose like I'm buying new sticks. See that people?
See the people?
Yeah.
But I basically on my foot. And look, splash up from my hand. But I'm not getting no major shot. Okay.
Catch me.
One Neymar pants. Neymar, go this sir. Tap right this sir. This man I go capture the flag. Look for him. Oh yeah, put that shit back on.
Hell no, she's sweat.
Alright, look at his shirt.
But this is
In pants. Turn on the front time. I don't see front time.
listen, we need a story time on this thing. Because we looking bad out here. It look like we get shot up, but it's actually the other hero.
Yo, people, the most shot we get taken a teammate shot with. Remember that in no sense, bro.
Right?
Brother, you way in a bush and get
see something.
in teammate shot him in a neck back. Bro, the only shot, one shot I get, know how much they below, they from the back of my thigh, like below my ass, know how much is it. Tell me, me not run back way, me go forward. Who else will shot me other than my teammate?
Oh, teammates?
Yes!
Bro,
You think he was getting away with it? Lying.
man, you see the first game? First game. No man, I told game we play now. Remember I told
Yeah,
3 games, 4 games we play.
The first game
We
was
play
2
4
rounds.
games. First game was 2 rounds. The first round we did lose.
The last one.
This man on the left side I flank. But him a run out. You see him a run out and see some each back one pallet. The pallet him each back.
We talking about the third game?
The first one.
First game?
Where you have to lie down, man have to lie down so
First
back
game,
way. And the pallet the behind it, like this is the pallet. And have to lie down so with him gun. He
Gun do
can't move.
I was like,
Me see some man forward beside him. Right on one tree did it. So me have look at cover. My right side black off cause some board did it. Black off my right side. Somebody can shot from the side. This man have to lie down flat and me have to cover him about 3 man. I say run upon him.
it's not live.
About 3 man. I say run upon him. Me have to squeeze shot around
Wait,
there.
how much kills you get first round?
First round?
Yeah.
I get 2.
How much kills you get first round?
First game I get 2.
First one, 4 or 5.
Again?
Second one, 4 and last one.
The bombats. I can't run them well hillside.
I get about 6 kills in first round.
When you hear Connie class say yo, me there on a hillside. Up them there bro.
Second in the base.
Hey, name are going to them
Killing
base.
Boom, boom.
That's our 3rd game basically.
Nah, that was the second.
That's the 3rd.
First game,
First game has
second
2
round.
rows. 2
Yeah,
rounds.
that's the second round I'm talking about.
Yeah.
When,
So.
when I'm trying to catch a flag,
Yeah.
bro, when I...
Neymar, tell him.
Alright, so look, right? I always see Ryan just run. I said, what?
Yeah, I'm gone up in the
behind
hills.
me, right? Down behind me. So Ryan technically out. Ryan went to the right. I went to the left.
I'm missing. No, I'm missing forward to the right too.
Yeah, maybe.
You
right.
the kind of center.
Alright, good. So
Yeah.
now I just catch her on a with name.
Pallet.
Some shit. But I went behind it, right? So I see them boys shooting and shooting, peek through my gun. Boom, boom, catch one. Boom, boom, catch another one. The other one looking. Boom, catch him. And then other one just come out the base, you know, cause he just dead. Just shoot you again and he go back in base. So then now I thought everything was safe, you know, nobody else now people. Watch me going inside for flag. Ah, you see them man start shooting.
Neymar, yo,
We just start shoot back like and run.
the whole of the man shirt back out so much shot. Mark, funny, even normal. And then me and the little bit below me, Neymar running that building at that time. I see when he fly past, but then when that building he go, he fly past, yeah. So me there all the way up on the hill, and me I look down in them base, so me I fire shot off of them in the base. I drop about 4 of them around there. Cause the whole of them pile up one spot, like them a watch a flag, cause the flag they closer to them. So them the right they say watch a flag. I want anybody come through the door where the flag there, they can see you. So me there above them to the right, when me I see them, I watch the flag. So at then time they can get everything. You see it. So
but yeah, third round, bro.
Third round.
When everybody went. Right?
yeah, we had like 30 on one team, bro. Swear to God, no cap.
See me jump across tree.
Brother, the man them have some, you know, the tree them. Yo, so, like some tree big like this. Man, if you not see tree, some tree big like that. You see it. A man them, it broke down.
You can't remember?
It broke down and it there on the ground. One of them did have a look flat thing underneath it. Hold on. One of them have a flat thing underneath it, bro. And that me used to lie down flat. How belly, you know, you.
And I did the tree just catch on by.
Brother, a beat shot. When I time them, two boy flank on the left and me used to say, yo, on the left. So we got some turning gun on the left side. The first one push out, you're so wetty. The second one push out, I'm wet. Brother, I'm not fire no one shot or fire no, because going in there for a single, trigger finger work, you know, man. So you know, say, you get about 4 one time. We drop them there. That's how I get no shot, right? This is the first game we get shot. Teammates. Next one, them do castle. Like, we did like castle like bro, me used to lie down back to your so round the barrel, finger round shot round the barrel, and about 2 or 3 of them, did they? Go on. So I see about 3 of them. Shitiki. Anyways, you see about 3 of them. You're up on the left side. One nah peep not all just a push over and gun. Every time push over and go shot him by the gun, me and me empty my whole clip from one youth. Come shot him 2 times and then now I hold up him and I go like say yo, in the shot. Me empty upon him. No way look. And me not let it come, me just squeeze it. Till him hold up him hand. So I guess that was it for the vlog. Look up more.